These Bounce dryer sheets have been a great Amazon find. This box specifically comes with 160 of them, and I actually just finished up my other box, so I had to get another one. But that one lasted me at least a year, maybe longer. Comes with 160 of them, so it lasts forever. I also like to use dryer sheets like maybe in my laundry or when I'm traveling. I'll just throw one in there to make sure everything smells nice and clean, or even in my shoes sometimes. But I love this scent specifically because it is so just fresh and clean, but also isn't too strong. Also, it says on here, but it helps with fighting static, fighting wrinkles, repels pet hair, it softens clothes, and leaves a long-lasting freshness. So I would highly recommend these. They are a great staple in my laundry routine, and I love this brand specifically.